Summer means barbecue season, and we have a great new option for you to try. Samira Mohyeddin is with Banu Restaurant Iranian is with us this morning to show us how to make Kabob Torsh.
Yes, very
Kabob
good.
Torsh. Okay, so what is Kabob Torsh?
So we're doing a beef tenderloin.
Yes.
With pomegranate molasses and ground walnut marinade.
Now, we were talking earlier that the tenderloin, it's right in the name, it's very tender.
Yes.
But it does, because of the lower fat content, it lacks the flavor of other cuts of meat. So a marinade is perfect for a piece of tenderloin.
Yeah, what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting up pieces of the beef tenderloin here. And we're gonna add it to this bowl here.
So nice big pieces here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're gonna be grilling it. And I'm gonna add a little bit of yogurt to this marinade. You might be wondering why yogurt?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's because yogurt gives a beautiful, nice coating to it.
Okay.
And a nice texture. I'm just gonna grab a towel here.
No, I've never had this before. I'm really, really interested to see how this works.
So a little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay.
Okay, and then in this blender, I'm going to put 2 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
Some.
Those are big cloves, too.
Yes, some walnuts.
The walnut's going to be interesting as well.
Yeah, it's going to give a lovely texture to this.
Okay.
Just going to warm this up quickly. You want a fine consistency on this, okay? And then we're going to add pomegranate molasses.
Can I smell that?
Yes, absolutely. Okay. So this has a beautiful tart flavor to it. And then we're going to add a neutral cooking oil, so you can add anything like some flour.
So it's going to have like a pesto consistency.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So we're just going to spray this one more time.
And are all of these traditional Iranian flavors?
Yes, very much so, specifically in the north of the country.
Okay.
So this is the consistency. This is what you want.
All right.
And you're going to add this.
And so you wouldn't ever do the yogurt in here in the blend?
No, you don't want to blend yogurt.
Okay.
It's kind of...
That's a bad idea. Okay.
And you're just going to blend this with your hand.
Okay.
Really
I think you'd have to because it's nice and thick.
Evenly, exactly. And ideally, you want to marinate this overnight.
Okay.
But 4 to 6 hours works perfectly too. Yep.
And then comes the grilling.
Yes.
Right? So you pull it out, and we're not using little skewer sticks here.
No, these are big skewers.
This is how you do it. Wow.
With, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we have here is the beef tenderloin. Ideally, you want to do this on a charcoal grill.
To get that extra flavor.
Yeah, sometimes you can't, so you got to stay inside. And again, it depends on the consistency, how you want it. I like it really just flash grilled with beef tenderloin, medium rare to rare.
Okay, what would you serve this with? I see you're blistering some tomatoes here, which
some
are great.
beautiful tomatoes, roasted tomatoes, and then a lot of fresh herbs. Iranians eat a lot of fresh herbs. So mint, basil, tarragon go great with it.
Yeah. Every time I've been at an Iranian meal, there are about 50 things on the table. So what would be some of the side dishes that go with this? Because I'm guessing there'd be a dozen or so.
Oh, of course. There would be saffron basmati rice. There would be radishes. There would be a lot of fresh herbs. But really, you want the tomatoes and the fresh herbs.
Okay.
That's what this is about.
Okay, can I try this now?
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely. I'm going to give you piece of this that I've grilled earlier.
All right, I am gonna...
You can cut it up yourself, and I'm gonna take one for myself.
Okay, here, this is for you.
Thank you.
Oh, all right, I'm gonna give this, okay, this is gonna be, I've never had steak this way.
See how tender this is? Like, you could cut this with a spoon.
Yeah. That is delicious.
The texture is so lovely with the walnut.
The walnut adds a nuttiness. There is, it kicks you right in the back. It's not spicy in any way.
No.
But there is so much flavor for a piece of tenderloin.
Yeah, it's an explosion.
Well, come on. I thought I tried steak every way I want to eat steak. I was wrong.
Now put a fresh piece of mint in your mouth.
Okay, and just chew it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not steak, but I'll take it. Chef, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Lovely to come by.
Oh, thank you so much. And you can find this recipe on our website or in my mouth.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.